Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. Overcoming depression. Develop a now is new mentality, a now is new mindset. The past is gone. That was then, this is now, and now is new. The one thing that has helped me in my life is to know that no matter what has happened in my life, and we all have things that we go through in our lives, right? We all have things that we'll go through in our lives. Some of us are juggling so many things. Things can get out of hand. But I've learned to realize that even though we're juggling all those different tasks in our lives, the past is gone. And I like that scripture that says that I'm forgetting those things that are behind, moving forward, going forward with the now is new mindset. That is one thing that has really helped me to rise above, overcome any depression in your life. That was then, this is now, and now is new. There is another affirmation that I have. It says that it is within my power to accept anything that is unchangeable and to change anything that is in my ability to change. I realize that anything that has happened then, there's nothing that I could do about it on today. So that is a powerful way to overcome depression. Develop a now is new mindset. There will be times when family members, friends, or those around you, they'll constantly want to remind you of what you've done in your past. But I want to empower you and encourage you. Rise above it. You are more than that. You're greater than that. This is now, and now is new. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a Cash App donation, a super thanks, super chat, buy a coffee, take my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there are links in the description for you to do just that. And those of you who do that already, I appreciate you. The most important thing to remember is that there's nothing wrong with starting over in life. And one of the things that has really helped me in my life is just making a new start. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here coming on the screen of starting a new chapter in life. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out and enjoy it. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out, subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.